Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 14th, 2022. I wanted to come in and talk to you about Ford stock today because sometimes the market is not giving you what you expect. And this is one situation that I was looking for Ford to go up in price, and we're still not seeing the buyers appear in the market. So I wanted to come and give you all the Ford stock prediction update and take a look at this. Like, this is just ridiculous. You can tell when people are really incentivized to come in and purchase a stock, and this is what it looks like when people are not. There's no interest coming into the market in Ford right now, and when I continue to see this market action like this to where we're just not seeing that to push the price higher, then we got to come in and readjust the situation. We got to look at it differently because the market is telling us obviously something is not going the way we expected it to go. So we need to cut this out the way. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to leave this price prediction. We're going to take it out the way because the market is not giving us our expectations. So if we were to get on the last trade of yesterday, we would be down 6.25%, which it happens. But the biggest thing of understanding how the language works is that you're able to minimize the losses. Because if I'm going to predict that price is going to go lower, then we would rather take a 6% hit rather than continue to hold on and wish more, and price continue to fall lower and lower, and your losses continue to increase. Let's take that out the way. Now, you guys can tell that with this price action in Ford, we haven't seen any market movement higher. It's in a downtrend right now here in Ford. I mean, we can even take the market action like this, and you can see that we are trending to the downside. This is not by coincidence. The market obviously is telling us, hey, to everyone who's looking for Ford to go up, you might want to reevaluate the situation because we're trending down, even in a trading channel. Let's look at this on the weekly chart for Ford. Now, again, I'm not here to say or, put out any fear, FUD, or FOMO because I don't push that. I'm simply telling you that we're not seeing any demand for Ford at these prices. Now, we don't see people wanting to buy a certain item at a certain price. Then market has to move to find consensus. It has to find where people are willing to open up their wallets and purchase these instruments. So now let's go ahead and do this because the market here in Ford may actually be trading in this wider range trading channel. Okay. So this is the range from $16 to $11. Looking at this on the 5-weekly chart, we wanted to see price continue to go up in Ford right here. Okay. Now we have 2 days and nine hours left on this current 5-week price bar. We're not really seeing a follow through yet, but I will tell you that this is where the range between the buyers and the sellers is ongoing, meaning that we see sellers come in pushing down price around $16 to $15, and then buyers definitely come into the market in Ford around 11 and 12. So it's going to be a very tight squeeze between which of these sides of the market is going to win. Because on the 5-weekly chart, I still see that the buyers have the ability to continue to push this price to around 15 and 16. It's on the smaller time frames that we don't see it yet. We need to see that follow through in the market and Ford. Now, here it is. Earnings is due to be reported on January the 25th, 2023. And that, I suppose, is going to try to move the market. Okay. So, looking at this on a 5-day chart, this is where the weakness came in. Now, we're not really seeing the impact though. Can you see that? Like, the market here on this current 5-day price bar should be going down. That's the expectation, and it's not doing it. So that could be buyers coming in around 13, which means that they're still in the market trying to lift this market higher. Right? Yes, that's exactly what's going on there on the 5-day chart. Here it is on the 3-day. 3-day chart is showing me that there's still some sellers in the market because this current 3-day price bar, the market currently is closing off of the highs, which tells me that there's still some sellers mixed in the market in Ford. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the daily. Here it is on the 90-minute chart. Okay, so we're not really seeing too much in Ford right now. Here it is on the 3 hours. So actually, the market is relatively mixed. Now, from what we did originally, which was we were looking for price to go up in Ford, And it hadn't happened. Price was in a downturn. We need to continue to consider that. Now, I will admit that the chances of us still seeing price go up and forward is still there. So like if I were to put this on a probable basis, I would say it's pretty much like 50-50. I would say it's 50, not 50-50. I would say it's like 55-45. 55% chance that price in forward is going to go down. 45% chance that price is going to go up. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart though. So considering that I'm seeing it like 55-45, I need to be real conservative in where I think price is going to move. Like I can't drop a price prediction and say it's going to go down to $10, right? Because the weakness is not that strong. So let's just do this within the range. Okay, first price target is going to be around 13. We already know that we saw buyers come in the market in forward around 13. That's 4.20%. And my second price target is going to be like $12.45. That's about it. That's about it. I'm not seeing a massive indication that price in forward is drastically weak. Okay. And my resistance area, which means that I will have to come back in and rethink this, is around 15. Now, again, I'm just looking for this though overall. Okay, for the most part, I don't see the market in forward really trying to break this resistance area of 16, nor do I see it trying to break support around 11. So let me just hold it just like this, and as more and more time goes on, we'll produce and come in and reevaluate the situation, see what we have now. But this is what I'm seeing currently in the market in forward. I want you all to go ahead and do a quick comment on the video and tell me, have you seen anything different on the price chart that would substantiate price going higher or price going down? Like, which way do you think is the opportunity for people to profit from? Is it higher? Is it lower? And if so, go ahead and drop that price target down too. That's it. I'm done. Okay. So give me your thoughts. Join the team, join the community, hit the like button, and also subscribe to make sure you guys stay updated on the videos that I produce here, because I'm not here to give you anything outside of what we see in front of us, which is the price chart. That's it. Join me.